Hi folks, my name is Ken Quick. Welcome to Guarantee RV. Today it's my pleasure to show you this 2022 31H Winnebago Class C motorhome. Okay folks, here we are. We're inside the 31H Winnebago Class C motorhome, which is a bunkhouse. It also doubles that bunk area, can also be another closet. We've got a nice bedroom in the back with lots of storage, TV, bunks right there. Across from the bunks you have the bathroom with a huge shower. A big refrigerator here, nice kitchen. We have a couch and a dinette, which is a C-shaped dinette, the horseshoe dinette. Very nice equipped coach. We have the bed up front with a TV that swings out. If you have questions about this coach or any other coach, give me a call. Oh, one thing I forgot, it does have levelers on this. You don't see that all the time on a Class C motorhome, but this one does have it, and side cameras, backup cameras, all that. If you have questions about this coach or any other coach here at Guarantee, they call me the coach. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. Please come and see me. Give me a call at 208-250-8625.